How are you? What's up? How you doing?
Well done. How are your body doing? Are you? How can I get rid of
Stephanie, that might not be able to.
I need to give an discount like
Just keep them on that table over there. Yeah.
well done. Nice. Yeah.
guy's drone has gone down.
Sorry?
Is he not the one controlling? Is he not the one controlling it?
Drone is going down.
He's controlling it.
He's the one controlling
I
it.
hope he knows where it is.
It can't come down without him controlling it.
When you light your lantern, just hold on to it. When you light it, hold on to
it. No. Let go. Yeah, go out.
But if it goes up in its own, it's a done. Can we do a lot at the same time?
It looks so dope.
Let's go.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Say bye.
Can we let Dummy?
Okay, you need more than
Hey,
what's next?
Toasty. Yeah. Okay, I have to light this candle. Thank you. Seriously, I need a massage. Dummy, you hold this candle. Let me hold the.
Bring it lower, bring it lower. Bring it a bit lower, you know. I'm like,
This is going. This is sad. Okay. Up a bit. It will go, but not yet. Can you be raising it up a bit? A bit. Let it go. Oh, it's burning. Let it burn.
Drop it and step on it.
Oh, Missy. Good to see you. Going. Oh!
this is for Tina.
Jimon. We don't let it go.
Are you not the one doing Instagram live? Come behind where they're putting. We're lighting our lamp.
The edges expand, stretch this.
Why are you dropping?
I don't know how everyone is feeling.
This can go again. It's burnt.
This is not a smiling issue. Everybody, I want you guys to feel it. When Tony's brother was talking here, I was feeling it in my soul. I wanted to cry. I was feeling it. I want everybody to feel it. So that when we go out on the streets for the next week, we can go with him. We can go with Ginger. We're not here to play. People have died. Leaders of this city have died. Please, everybody. Anyways, I'm about to just sing a song. It's just a call and response. The response is, we will never forget you. Alright, are you guys ready, please? We will never forget you. Are you guys ready? All our fallen soldiers. One time.
We will never forget you.
All our fallen soldiers. One time.
We will never forget you.
All our fallen soldiers.
We will never forget you.
Now the second one. We will fight for you. That's the response. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
All our fallen sisters. One time. We will fight for you. All our fallen brothers. One time.
We will fight for you.
All of the fallen fathers.
We will fight for you.
All of the fallen mothers.
We will fight for you.
But to all our brothers and our sisters. See,
We will never forget you.
all our brothers and our sisters.
We will never forget you.
See, we will never forget you. We will fight for you. All our fallen brothers. One last time. We will never forget you. One time. All our fallen brothers. One hand in the air.
We will never forget you.
All our fallen brothers.
We will never forget you.
We will fight for you is the last one. Everybody, as I say this, please. Everybody in the room, everybody here. Please. One time. All our fallen sisters and our fallen brothers.
We will fight for you.
Thank you very much. Please, let's not forget why we're here. Please. Please.
Thank you, Lady Darling. So we have F.A. Oraka here to just sing the Amazing Grace for us. We can.
Amazing Grace.
Yes, we do. I'll find you when my hands are free. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saves a wretch like me. I was once lost, but now I see. Was blind, but now I see. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. Oh my God, drop it, drop it, drop it. I was lost. You didn't see it. I'm just eyes was blind, but now I see. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me.
Put your candles up.
I was lost, but now I see. Was lost, but now I see. Your candle.
Thank you so much, Effie. That was amazing.
Sorry, you're blocking the light.
I don't know if many of us have had this conversation going around on social media. His name is PJJ. So I have someone very close to Chijoke here.
Hello, you are blocking the light.
Why I said sorry.
Okay, okay, that's fine.
Please can you make it to the mic?
That's the light, though. So, that's the light. Never get there, don't talk. I've talked to Bobby and okay, sorry.
Obianuju. Lost her brother.
Don't cry, please. She can cry. We'll be strong for you. Just want to hug you.
Thank you. I will lie. I'm not strong. Many times people describe me as a strong person. Many times they describe me as
I put it
a
off.
brave person.
I'm sorry. I'm
When
really
I
sorry.
fight for justice for my brother, many people have categorized me as courageous. I want to let you know, my hands are shaking. I want to let you know that I'm not strong. if you've ever seen me chanting or marching during the protest, I always tell people that you are my strength. This is because the only thing that propels me is my pain. The only thing that propels me is my anger. Let me tell you a bit about Chijioke. Because when we talk about Chijioke, most people just hear the name Chijioke. He's a human being. He was a human being. He was my elder brother. And he fought for me severally. While Chijioke was with me, nobody could disrespect me. Because they knew that Chijioke would fight. Even when he knew you would beat the hell out of him, he would fight. He never ever stopped protecting me. The first tweet I made about my brother, 2019, I had gone back home. I had finished my NYS and I went home. And some guys were fomenting trouble on the road. And when they came towards me, one of them said, that is 50's sister. But my brother was called 50. And immediately they cleared. And I was so pained that he wasn't even there, but he was fighting for me. I knew I had to fight for him. Because Chijioke is a people person. If you ever know him, I think that anybody that knows him can confirm this. Chijioke was a people person. He loves cooking. He loves driving, even though he's a terrible driver. Yeah, he was a terrible driver, and then his food is always full of spices. But he loves doing it nonetheless, and we love eating it. I would give anything to have a shitty food he made now. I would give anything to be joking around by him. So I tell you guys, I'm not strong. And I thank all of you for coming out here tonight to do this for all these people and for my brother. We never got a dead body, you know. We never got a chance to bury him. If he's dead, we don't know. We never had a chance to bury him. So this is the only opportunity we have. This is the only way we can have people coming together to mourn him. This is the only way we have for people to remember him. And I thank all of you. I really do. From the depth of my heart, I'm sure my mom, I'm sure she'll be crying, but she'll be happy that people remember him. And that maybe, just maybe, we'll find closure. Just maybe we'll find justice. Because the only reason why I march, the only reason why I protest, is not just for the closure or for the end of that, but for justice. Not just for myself, but for everybody who has lost their loved ones. It's so difficult, and I don't know how to explain. It's so painful to know that forever you would never see your loved one again just because of another person. Ifeoma Abuja, Tina, Kolade Johnson, Chimo, all of them, they had their dreams, they had their aspirations. Chijioke, all of them, they had the things they aspired for, but they all lost this just because of the lottery of birth.
Sorry.
Just because they were born Nigerians. Just because they were born in this country where there is no accountability and where there's no respect for the human life. And I'm asking all of you, do not stop. Let's never stop. These people have sacrificed their lives for us. They have died so that we can live. This is our opportunity. This is our window of opportunity to ensure that none of us loses our life to these evil people. That none of us loses our life or suffers this kind of injustice. This is our opportunity to make sure that our parents stop burying our younger ones. This is our opportunity to stop crying. And I'm asking all of you, please, even if you are tired, even if you are weak, even if you are downtrodden, even if you cannot do any other thing, do not stop talking for our sake. We deserve this justice. We deserve this justice.
Yes, you do.
Every one of us deserves this justice.
Yes, you do.
So I'm asking you, don't stop. Even if you want to stop, remember, I'm begging you, for the love of a brother, I beg you, like my mother would beg you, for the love of her son, please do not stop until justice is served. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
So for those of you who don't know the story of Chijoke, I'm just going to tell you what happened quickly. So Chijoke was 20 years old in 2012 and he went for a child dedication. He was picked up there and he was allegedly taken to SARS office. When his family went to look for him, they were told that he had been taken to the headquarters. They went there to find him. His mother spotted him being brought into the station and she said, "That's my child." And the officer in charge of that station, the notorious Nwanfo, asked them to boot her and the family out of the premises, and then they were pushed out. Since then, they haven't seen Chijoke again. The next time they went, the officer Nwanfo boasted that he shot Chijoke, and there's nothing anyone can do about it. They searched for him, and then some other officers told the parents that it's possible he hasn't died, that the man could just be bluffing. They should bring some money to bribe him. The father brought some money. The officer said the money was too small. The father went, sold his land, sold some properties, raised 3 million, gave it to the man. The man said 3 million was chicken change. And the most horrifying part of this story, if you're a parent, that man, CSP 14, made Chijoke's dad to look for Chijoke's body in a river of dead bodies. He made him turn every single corpse upside down, searching for his son. I can't imagine what that man was going through. One part of him would think, let me find this body so that we can have closure. Another part of him would think, let me not find this body so that we can have hope. This is the impunity with which officers have treated us. They came to Abuja to seek justice. The state CID told them they would have to pay money to transport officers down to the state where it happened to investigate. We have no system. We cannot get tired. No. Are you tired? No. Are you tired? No. Are you tired? No. I am not tired. No. I am enraged. I am angry. I am sad, but I am definitely not tired. And we will not be tired until we get justice for Chijoke, for Tony, for Tina, for Kolade, for everybody that has fallen, for the survivors, for Adenike, who is in a wheelchair and has been in a wheelchair for 24 years because at age 15, the car she was in was sprayed by bullets by SARS official. They didn't end it there. They intimidated her and tried to kill her on her hospital bed just so that she would not share her story. But she is alive today and she's sharing her story. And these stories will be the last. They will be the last. Are you tired? No. Are you tired? No. You can't be tired. Thank you.
You know without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. Come a long way, where we were friends, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again.
Damn, who knew? All the brains we flew, the things we've been through, that I'll be standing right here talking to you about another path. I know we love to hit the road and laugh, but something told me that it wouldn't last. Had to switch up, look at things different, see the bigger picture. Those were the days my work forever pays. My city with a better place.
It is well with myself, with my soul. It is well with my soul. It is well. It is well. It is well. It is well. It is well with my
Sorry, we have one more performance. Thank you.
Sorry? Oh, okay.
Washing all our sin away. The people sing, the people sing. Hosanna, Hosanna, Hosanna in the highest. Hosanna, Hosanna, Hosanna in the highest. I see a new generation.
See? Yeah, I know. We go see. Just What's you for this time? We'll see you. For this time, we'll see you. What's behind here? Rice or pasta? Yo, G, what's up? What you pasta over there? Rice or pasta? Rice. Rice or pasta? Pasta. Over there. Alright. What do you want, my G? Rice or pasta?
Please, we don't want here crowded. This is the queue. We don't want anybody here crowded.
Just pick donuts. Just pick donuts when you talk.
Thank you so much. Okay. Designated selfie stick. All right.
Thank you.